Hello there, I'm Dave from Dyno Bike, and beside me is a KTM 1290 Superduke 2015 model. We've just finished tuning this one, and the customer has also asked us to fit a Quickshifter. So we're using the Cordona PQ8 system, which just below this video you'll see there's a link there so you can go and have a closer look at it. Comes with its own control module, a wiring harness, complete set of instructions. It's pretty straightforward to fit. Once you've got the Quickshifter installed, there's a little configuration process to tell it which direction you're going to shift in, and then it's ride it like you stole it, I guess. So we're going to go and put it on the dyno now and show you how it works in action. Hope you enjoy the video.